Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got some friend mail. So I ended up getting 4 different packages. 2 went together and the other 2 went together. And I'm not going to show you one, I'm just going to show you part of one, just because the giver wanted to not necessarily be named. So I got this beautiful cafe. This is a milk frothing latte carafe, or whatever you want to call it. Let me show it to you real quick in here. It's a nice little metal. This is great for foaming your milk for a latte or a cappuccino. And it says Empstorm. Empstorm is the brand name. There it is. It's missing the O. But it's really nice. Good, heavy, great for frothing milk. So, and what you do to froth your milk better is to put this in the refrigerator and get it nice and cold. So that is so nice. I really like that. I make a latte to take with me to work every day, and on the weekends when I'm able to sit at home at my coffee table, at my dining table, and have an actual cup of coffee, I make a cappuccino usually. So, and then I received these 2 packages, and they both came the same day, and they both are from Amazon. I wasn't quite sure, so I did break this box open, and I can see in there that it's a gift. So I think I knew who it was from, and then this I had no idea. So I opened this up, and it's not wrapped in here. So let me show you what's in here first. Well, let me see. You know, they send you the little sheets that tell you, this is a nice bag. You know, they could have used a little small bag like this to put that battery in instead of that big giant box they sent me. So there's they send you a little thing that you can learn more about the product with the UPC code that you can scan. And then if you need to return it for any reason, I think they send you paperwork out for that. And then it says, a gift for you. Mary, my cats love this toy. I hope yours do too. I appreciate you, from Dawn Lindow. So Dawn is a subscriber, and I've known her for a good while now, and she's just a sweet, sweet lady. And you know, we talk back and forth a little bit on Instagram also, and she said that her cats love this toy. And I'll tell you something, my cats love this kind of toy. We don't have this particular one. This one brand is called Smarty Cat. You can see the Smarty Cat with a K. Frisky Flyer. And extend the wand to play and retract for storage. Oh, that's cool. You can retract it. So it says bond with your pet, contains recycled plastic, satisfaction guaranteed, encourages exercise, and it's super cool. So I will, it's on there really good. So I'll cut that all off and I'll show it to you. And let's open the other part, and then I'll show you, and I'll try to, you know, I'll play with the cats. They love a wand that you move things around with. And this is really nice because this hooks on here. So if this were to break or fall apart or something, you can get another one and put it on. So you can keep the wand for a long time. It'll work. And then in the box, you know, Amazon does that. Even if you tell them to ship things together, they will ship things separately often. So this is just adorable. Look how cute that is. There's an envelope that says, keep your gift a surprise. So this one actually had the paperwork inside. So if you don't want to know what you got until you open your present, until you open your little sack, then you don't open this yet. So they're telling you, unwrap your present before opening the envelope, because this might say the name on it. So look how cute that is, y'all. It's wrapped up real pretty. And this is a nice, like a real ribbon. It's like a fabric. It's not, you know, it's not junk. It's nice. This is a nice reusable bag, and it has a card on it. And the card says, "Hi Mary, this is for your kids. I hope they enjoy it. Love y'all, from Dawn Lindow." Thank you so much, Dawn. So look how cute that little bag is. I love that. Okay, let me open it and see what's in here. See how pretty that is, that ribbon? That color is just beautiful. And they have it wrapped up inside in some tissue. Okay, really cute bag. And, oh, what's this? Something fun. Ooh, Smoky's Stash, it says. These are my cats. Now, I'm not sure about Camille, y'all. She'll love this, unless I get rid of it. So, ASMR right there. My boys, their very favorite things, and I've had other cats that like these as well. This is Smoky Stash brand, cat mice toys. Now, you know, I've tried many different cat mice toys, and these are, I'm looking to see, it says, okay, it says in little tiny print RABBI, so I know it's rabbit fur. They like the real fur. They like the real thing. So, I mean, of course, it's not a real mouse. But the ones that, there's many that look like this, but they're like a fuzzy fabric like a stuffed animal would be. And I've tried to fool them. You can't fool them. You can't fool them. They still play with those, but they love the ones that are like real mice. So let me open it. This also says that it's got Smoky Stash catnip spray on it. So look at those eyes going. They're going to love these, Dawn. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I will show you pictures of them, or you know, video playing. I think they're eating right now. I try to do that to keep them away for a minute or two. So there are a lot. 3, 6. I think there's 12 in here. You know, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's 6 gray and 6 white. And sometimes these can appear real until, thank goodness, you see that pink on there. But this is rabbit fur, so they will really like them. Dawn, thank you. They will be, the boys will be very happy. We'll see how Camille likes them. I appreciate that so much, y'all. Let's see what the little card says. It might be a repeat of that other. Okay, it says, it's what's on the pretty card. It says, hi, Mary. This is for your kids. I hope they enjoy. Love you all, from Dawn. Dawn Lindow. Thank you, Dawn. Now, Dawn does not have a channel. I don't know if Dawn ever wants to start a channel, but if she ever wanted to start a channel, I'd be happy to promote her. So you'll see her in the description. I can put people that don't have a channel in the description. I just have to share your quote unquote channel. Because if you are on YouTube and you have a name on YouTube, then you have a potential to be a channel. So you can be shared out. Does that make sense? So I will do that. If you want to know who Dawn is, you probably know her from seeing her in the comments, because she's a great commenter. So she likes to chat and everything. So thank you to my lovely friend mail, to all involved in my friend mail, my anonymous friend mail, and Dawn Lindow. And thank you all so much for being here. And I really enjoy chatting with you, commenting. I know I'm behind on my comments, y'all. I've been trying to keep up with the new comments and go back to the old comments. Not doing very good. But I am more caught up than I've been in a while. And this shoulder thing's not helping me because I'm exhausted at night. So I am trying. So please forgive me if I haven't commented yet. If you have something really important to tell me that I didn't answer you back yet, or a prayer request or something, hit me up on Instagram, because those don't get behind. I don't mean under a video. I mean under a post, because those I forget to look at. Send me a private message, or what do they call it, a DM on Instagram. So direct message, I think, is what the DM means. So I'm going to get this out of this package, and we're going to play a little bit, okay? Just want to show you real quick how this works. See how that is, and you can pull this out. This is how you can pull that out, so you can go further with them, and then you can retract it. And then, like I said, if this were to break or come off, you can get others that can clip on here. Because see, it's that, that kind of clip. With the little balls in there, see? And then it clips right there. So isn't that cute? And I love the color. Love the color, Dawn. Thank you so much, Dawn. Oops. Here's Smudge. Well, come on, kids. Camille, you want to come on? Come on, Blue. See it? Can you see it? Isn't that pretty? Want to get it? Oh, we might have to try again later, because they just ate, so they're lazy. There you go, Blue. You don't get the string from me. Smudge, you gonna go? Well, Camille, are you gonna come on? She's trying. She's trying to come on. You like that, Blue? Whoops, it's like the color of your eyes. Camille too. She's got those blue eyes too. Smudge you? Oh, you like that blue? Yeah. Don't bite that? Don't bite the stick? Maybe I'm too close to your face. Smudge, you gonna come play? Pardon my dirty floors, y'all. Oops. Hey, Blue, look what, got your favorite thing right here. Look at that. Smudge? What y'all got? Where's Camille? Well, come on down, Camille. I'll get you one. Camille's up here kissing me. Okay. Yeah. Y'all gonna play? Whoops. You getting that, Camille? Smudge? Yeah. You wanna play with that? Whoops, Smudge's tail went right in the camera. All right, y'all, count your blessings. Thank you so much, Dawn. And thank you to my dear friend.